inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Okay, I'm gonna make a quick video of me throwing this back together. I got my cases back together. I'm just gonna show how you throw it back together real quick. It doesn't take long, it's pretty simple. And if you watched any of my videos or you give a shit, just like and subscribe. Give me a comment. That's the number one thing I'm not really seeing other than Caleb. He asked me to show what I'm doing, so I thought I'd make this video of me throwing this together. So I'll just start doing that. The only thing I already did was this, which that's the back of your shift drum, and there's just that's where that little spring and pin goes into the back of your shift drum, and it grounds out I forget which wire it is, one of these wires, so you can start your bike. Just start slapping this shit back together. Throw your magneto on here. Jeremiah, quit. I'm going to be putting a inner rotor on here so this thing will rev way faster than my brother's bike because his bike's shit.
You know the distance from your
Oil pump. Distance from what, Jacob?
your carb to
Dick
your
to my balls?
throttle body?
Huh?
Carb to your throttle.
Carb to throttle.
Never mind, just pinched my. I mean, you bit my ball.
No, didn't. Did he really? Jeremiah, knock it off. I like to use an impact, it makes things a bit faster. And if you want to really over torque shit, it's perfect for that. Yeah, you don't want anything coming off. Oh, and I already put my the top of the that's a shift star behind here. That's what your shift shaft, the linkage slides on to shift. But you know, that's easy. Oh, and Loctite that. That's the one thing, that bolt there, Allen key. You're gonna want to Loctite that. Everything else you can just tighten down. Apparently vibration comes out of that. We'll throw this, and then I'll show these parts just in case somebody's trying to put their stuff back together and doesn't remember how it goes. That. And this goes like this. There's a little washer. It prevents you from Jeremiah, quit! Over tightening this so it can still move. And the spring will hook here to here. And one of them, the one that goes to the washer, is a screw, and then the lower one is a bolt. I don't know why, but Jeremiah, go play with mommy.
No, what play, mommy?
Yes, you do. Mommy wants to play with you.
Don't want to.
You don't want to play with mommy?
Play mommy.
Go play with mommy. What are you doing, Jacob?
I'm just doing some shopping. You gonna buy me all that stuff, man?
I don't mean to tighten it that much. Yeah. With all the money I don't have. sure that moves freely. Make sure that's going to clearance that. You never know, you might have to start changing stuff, do some grinding. I already made a video once, well, kind of twice. One time my GoPro died, the other time, which was earlier, my phone didn't have enough storage on it. We're going to try again, third time. I mean, the second time, or today, earlier when I tried, it was a pretty good video. I was outside revving the shit out of my little brother's bike, just smacking off rev under. But we can probably do that again.
$60.
That's pretty cool throw too. There on the top, you can grab it, you can twist it. I don't know why, but. I guess we'll just slide a good old shift shaft up in there. Spring. If you're retarded, I'll pop this off here just to show. Because some people are retarded. Maybe. You can put it back on there with your fingers, it's not. So you got the spring, just slide it on there. That spring goes there and sets right, the center of it sits in that. When you're pushing this on, you'll feel it stop. What it's hitting is that spring needs to kind of be guided. Either that or it's hitting the freaking workbench. Dude, shut the hell up. Look at this fucking thing. There we go. Look, I don't know what I'm doing. Boom. Now you can pound through the gears. Let me show you how that's done, Jacob. This little part right here has to set back in there on that. Right there. The camera situation sucks right now. I'm a hacker. Sometimes this can be a whore. Just like your ex-girlfriend. Other times it's pretty freaking good, just like your mom last night. There you go. Hear that click? And she's right on that.
Matt, that didn't arm her straight.
What do you mean? Jacob, that is... Look at that. Look at that spring. Jeez. It's on there. And then all we got to do is throw our awesome auto clutch back on and these spacers. There's two spacers. There's this fat, shorter one, and then there's a skinny, taller one. The skinny, taller one goes inside your clutch basket, and this one goes underneath the clutch basket. So the clutch goes on one of your transmission shafts.
Should order handlebars, man.
Should you order handlebars? Yeah, you should. Oh, that's something else I was talking about when I made my other video. I was talking shit on your handlebars, but apparently I didn't have enough memory on my phone. But it kept recording, but then it wouldn't let me view it. Oh, we gotta do this just together. Yeah, when you put your auto clutch, and this, I did it flawless the first time. No promises this time.
Yeah.
What'd he do? You get hurt?
That's right.
Would you?
Keep banging him off the ground.
What's he banging off the ground? Oh.
Here, dear. Don't do it, dear.
Okay, hang on.
Yeah.
Well, Jacob, you're gonna smack him in the face if he keeps talking to you like that.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah.
What?
He goes, like he hit it on his leg.
Oh.
Ah,
Getting this to go on is a
Okay.
pain. I was happy earlier because I dropped it. Oh, there we go. It's all on there. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Let me grab this.
Okay.
Come on, bolt center. There we go. Now we're cooking with bacon.
Okay, dear.
no, it's not.
This one's probably not going to screw down all the way.
Your turn.
Did I? It's about as far as that one will
Only
go.
one Jeremiah? I don't think so.
And then all there is, I'm going to throw this one here just to show, but it's going to come back off.
Dear, what's right?
There's a slot. There's markings. I don't know if you can
Right?
see the markings. Those line up with the markings. There's a slot here in the shift shaft. We'll just line that up. Jacob, quit fucking filing on shit.
You're following yours now.
And then you got one of these. Just drop that on there. And all this does is whenever you shift, it depresses on your clutch, disengaging your clutch. It presses down on the springs.
White.
Whenever
I
you turn
want the
that,
white.
this will roll up on top there and press down. But when you delete, when you run a manual clutch, you don't need any of that. Yeah, you still need that bearing. And what it will do is, it'll come with a little pin and it'll just press down that. So you don't need any of that. So really, I was thinking you could cut this, but you don't want to do that because this actually sets inside. Wait, no, it doesn't. No, if you wanted to, I guess you could cut that.
What are you talking about?
The difference between an auto clutch and you don't need
My
that when you have
clutch?
a manual clutch because all it does is, yeah, the